Hi, my name is Jeremy Forrest. I'm the owner of Bridges Brothers Movers based in the seacoast in Hampshire. We're a full-service moving and storage company that was established in 1919, and we provide packing, moving, and storage services for residential clients throughout New England and down the eastern seaboard. If you're watching this video, it's very possible that you're planning for a move in the near future, and we'd like to help you understand what we can do to make that move as stress-free and cost-effective as possible. When we work with clients, we believe that the best moves happen based on what is done prior to the first box being placed on the truck. So we are very consultative in meeting with you early in the process and doing an in-home or virtual estimate, utilizing a software that allows us to document with pictures everything that's involved in your move. What this does is it provides us with a very accurate and detailed estimate and scope of work, and it also gives us a working document that we share with you that can be used to manage multiple delivery locations or changes to your move as they occur prior to move day. I would encourage you to visit our website at www.movewithbridges.com, where you can learn more information about us, and you'll find a number of great resources and tools that will help you in preparing for your move. When you're ready, certainly give us a call or fill out our online form, and we'd be happy to connect with you and have a move consultant come out to do a survey and to provide you with an estimate of cost.